Hello everyone and welcome to your very first Arduino adventure. Today let's make an LED blink in Tinkercad using just a few lines of code. So here in today's video, we are going to create our very first Arduino project, the blinking LED program using the Tinkercad. This simple project will help you understand the basics of Arduino coding, circuit connections and the simulation. And we will learn how the LED turns on and off using the Arduino UNO board step by step. So let's get started and make our first Arduino circuit come alive. First, we'll know what is Tinkercad. So Tinkercad, it is an online simulation platform where we can design and test Arduino circuits without real hardware. It is perfect for beginners because here we don't require any physical components. That is, you can build and test the circuits virtually without buying any hardware. And the circuit simulation works instantly, where you can see the results in real time. That is, the LEDs will glow, motors will spin, and sensors will respond instantly. And also it is safe and easy to use as there is no risk of damaging the components. It is beginner friendly and it has simple interface. Here the coding and debugging, it becomes very simple. You can write the code, test it and debug easily in the built-in Arduino code editor. So it is 100% online available and you can access it from anywhere. It is a great learning platform and it is great for learning and prototyping. You can save, edit and share your projects. You can here, this will bring the ideas to life with simulation. These are the components required for our first Arduino program. That is, you need one Arduino UNO R3, one breadboard, one LED, and you require one 220 ohm resistor. Here you can use 1 kilo ohm resistor also. Then jumper wires as needed. So here you can find these all components on the on the right side of the Tinkercad in the control panel. Okay, once you open the Tinkercad and you go to the circuit, you will get these all components on the right side of the dashboard. So step-by-step procedure in the Tinkercad. The first step is open the Tinkercad. You have to go to this website and you have to log in and you have to create a free account. Once you create a free account, that is, once you log in and create a free account, here you will get this type of dashboard. After this, that is, first you will be getting this dashboard. You have to sign up. Okay, if you don't have an account, you have to sign up. Then you have to log in and create a free account. Once you do that, next step is you have to create a new circuit. That is, you have to go to the circuit, then create new circuit. Then you will get this blank workspace. After that, the third step is adding the components. That is, we require Arduino UNO, breadboard, LED and the resistor. So these all will be on the right side of the workspace when you open the Tinkercad here. So you have to click on the component and you have to drag it. Then you will get all the components added. Next is the circuit connection. So here you can see you have a LED, you have a resistor and you have a Arduino UNO R3 board. So here the LED, it has two legs. One is the longer leg, another one will be the shorter leg. Here in Tinkercad, the LED, one leg is slightly bent and one leg will be straight. The bent leg is nothing but the anode, that is the positive, and it will be connected to pin number 10 of the Arduino. Whereas the straight leg, that will be the cathode, that is negative, it will be connected to the ground via the resistor. So pin number 10, it is connected to LED positive, that is the anode, bent leg, and ground, it is connected to the resistor. So here this will be connected to the cathode, that is the straight leg. Okay, then these are the basic instructions which we'll use in our Arduino UNO programming. First is the setup. So here this setup, it runs only once when the Arduino UNO starts. That is, it is used for the initialization. Then next you have the loop, which will be running continuously or repeatedly forever. And here in this loop, we'll be writing our main program logic. Then comes the pin mode. Here you can set the pin as input or output. It defines whether a pin works as input or output. And next is the digital write here. So it will send high or low signal. That is, high is nothing but the 5 volt, and then low is the 0 volt. For high, the LED will glow. For low, the LED will be off. Next, you have the delay. So delay, here it pauses the program. That is, it will wait for a specified time, and whatever time we write in this bracket, it will be always in the milliseconds. Okay. Then next, now how to add the code in the Tinkercad. Once we have done with the connections, now we need to write the code in the Tinkercad. So for that, first step is you have to click the code button. Okay, here you will be having the code button. You have to click on that. Once you click that, you will get these options: blocks, block plus text, then text, serial monitor. Sometimes you won't get serial monitor, you will get only these three. So what you have to do is you have to click on the text. Once you click on the text, here you will get a default program. Already some program will be there here, or some previous programs will be there. That you have to delete, and you have to type your program related to your connection. So here you may paste the program also, or you can type the program. Next step is simulation. For that, you have to click on the simulation, start simulation. Then once you click on start simulation, your program gets executed, and if there are any errors, it will show that there are errors. You have to correct it. If there are no errors, then the LED will glow, and here it will blink. That is, continuously it will blink on and off with a pause of 1 second. Okay. Then here, this is the Arduino blink code. This code makes the LED connected to pin 10 blink on and off every second. So first is here it is a wide setup. As you all know, setup is it will run once when the Arduino starts. And next you have pin mode 10 comma output. Here we have connected the LED to pin 10. Therefore, that is our output pin, and it will this instruction, it will set the pin number 10 as an output pin. Next you have loop. This loop, it will run repeatedly forever. Okay, here this one, until and unless we stop the simulation. Next is a digital write 10 comma high. Here digital write 10 comma high. So this will turn the LED on, and it will send high voltage to pin number 10. So the LED gets on, that is, it will glow. Then we have a delay of 1 millisecond, that is 1000 milliseconds. So it will wait for 1 second. Then digital write 10 comma low. So now what happens? The LED will get off because the low voltage has been sent to pin number 10. Again, we are adding a delay of 1 second, that is 1000 millisecond. It will wait for 1 second before repeating. Fine. So the LED connected to pin number 10 turns on for 1 second and then off for 1 second, and this keeps repeating. So this is called as a blink. Next, we have the advantages of using the Tinkercad. As you all know now, that Tinkercad is an online simulation platform where we can design and test Arduino circuits without real hardware. So there is no need of hardware. It is very easy to debug. It is safe for beginners. It is free online simulator, and also here you can learn the Arduino very quickly. So Tinkercad makes learning Arduino fun, simple and effective without the need for physical components. Now we will go to the Tinkercad website, and we will see how to connect the components and how to write the code and simulate it. So you go to Google, type in search Tinkercad. So you have to click on this first website, click here. So you will be getting this dashboard. Once you get this dashboard, you have to sign up. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up. Then you have to create an account and log in. Already I have created an account here. So I will get this platform, this dashboard. Now we have to click on this create, which is on the right top. Okay, create. Now click on circuits, second one. Okay, You have 3D design, circuits, code blocks. Click on circuits. Now you will get this workspace here. On the right side, you have the components panel from where you can click and drag the components. We need here Arduino UNO R3. I'll click on this and then I will drag it here. Okay. Then next I need a breadboard. So breadboard, I will drag it here. I will zoom in. Okay, I'll place it here. Next, I need a LED and I need a resistor. So you can see here LED. I'll zoom out this. See, LED here, one is slightly bent leg, one is straight leg. The bent leg is anode. You can see here anode, and this straight leg is the cathode. Fine. Now resistor, here this is a 1 kilo ohm resistor. You can change the value of resistor. I will use 220 ohm resistor. You can use 1 kilo ohm resistor also. So here change this kilo ohm to ohm and change the value to 220. See, now the resistor has changed. Now I will zoom in. Okay, here. Now I'll connect the LED here. Click on the LED, drag it here on the breadboard. Fine. Next, what you have to do? Next, you have to take the resistor. You have to take the resistor, and this resistor must be connected to where? It must be connected to the cathode. That is the negative leg of the, or the negative terminal of the LED. And from this, you have to connect it to the ground. Okay. Now here, this is the ground line. Okay, that is the negative one. Now you have to click on this. You have to drag this line along the blue line, leave it. Okay, here you leave it. Again, drag on the right side along the blue line, leave it, and again click here and drag it to the ground. Now this is the ground connection. So ground, usually it is represented by a black wire. So I'll change the color of this line. You have to go here and you can change the color to black. So now it has become black. Now the anode of the LED, it has to be connected to pin number 10, because we have defined in our program the output will be pin number 10. You can take any pin numbers here, but I have taken 10. Therefore, I will connect this anode to the pin number 10. Click on this point, drag along the blue line, leave it. Then again drag to the right side on the blue, along with the blue line. Then leave it and then connect it to the pin number 10. Okay, now here this I will represent it by a red line, red one. So this is our connection. Now you have to go to the code. Okay, you have to click on blocks. You are getting blocks, block plus text, text. You should click on the text, then continue. Okay, so this is the program for blinking the LED. Now here this output pin, I have defined it as 10. So I'll change it. I'll type it as 10. Wherever LED built in is there, I will change that to 10. So here also I'll change it to 10. Fine. So wherever built in was there, I have replaced it by pin number 10. Now click on start simulation. Now see here, your LED is blinking. You can see here, your LED is blinking here. Okay. So if you want to stop the blinking, you have to stop the simulation. So this is your first Arduino program to blink a LED. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.